Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 VFR800 DELUXE. This bike is also known as the Interceptor, and this one has only 1,600 miles and is offered for $94.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great, powerful, upright sport bike. It's got a real comfortable riding position. It's got the Honda's unique VTEC motor in it that gives you a ton of power, ton of revving ability. Excuse me. It's just a great all-around bike. It's had its first service done on it, oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.